No clutch, no gears, no control. This is the end of manual driving. For over a century, the manual transmission was more than just a way to drive a car. It was the soul of driving itself. The clutch, the gear shift, the connection between human and machine, it wasn't just transportation, it was control. But today, something unthinkable is happening. The manual transmission is disappearing. Not slowly, not quietly, but at a pace that suggests one thing: its time is running out. There was a time when every driver learned the same ritual. Clutch in, gear up, feel the engine. Manual transmissions weren't optional, they were standard. For decades, they dominated roads across the world. In the early 2000s, the vast majority of cars sold in markets like Europe were manual. Drivers didn't just accept them, they expected them. Manual cars were cheaper, more efficient, and gave drivers complete control over the vehicle. They were simpler machines, more mechanical, more human. But that world is fading. The decline of the manual transmission is not a theory, it's a measurable reality. In the United States, manuals now account for less than 1% of new car sales. In the UK and Europe, the story is similar. Manuals once dominated the market, but today they represent only a fraction of new vehicles. Only about 22% of new cars sold in the UK are manual. Fewer than 20% of new models even offer a manual option. The number of manual-equipped models has dropped by over 50% in a decade. Even more shocking, in 2026, there are only around 24 new cars left that still offer a manual gearbox. What was once the default has become a rarity. So what replaced the manual? The answer is simple: automatic transmissions got better. For decades, automatics were seen as inferior, slower, less efficient, less engaging. But modern automatics have completely changed that perception. They shift faster than humans, they optimize fuel efficiency, they integrate seamlessly with advanced driving systems. In fact, automatics now dominate the market. Automatic transmissions account for over 97% of premium car sales in Europe. In many regions, they are no longer the alternative, they are the standard. And for most drivers, the choice is obvious. Why deal with clutch control and traffic when the car can do everything for you? Convenience has won. If automatics weaken the manual, electric vehicles may have sealed its fate. Because here's the truth: electric cars don't need manual transmissions. Electric motors deliver instant torque. They don't require gear changes, they don't rely on traditional drivetrains. This changes everything. As EVs become more popular, the need for manual gearboxes disappears entirely. And with governments pushing for electrification worldwide, this shift is accelerating faster than ever. The future of cars is fundamentally incompatible with manual driving. The decline of the manual transmission isn't just technological, it's cultural. Drivers today want something different. They want convenience, comfort, ease. In heavy traffic, constant gear shifting becomes a burden. And younger drivers? Many are learning to drive in automatics from the start. In some regions, automatic-only driving tests are becoming more common, signaling a generational shift away from manual skills. For them, the manual transmission isn't a symbol of control, it's an inconvenience. There's another reason manuals are disappearing: money. Manufacturers are businesses, and building manual transmissions is becoming harder to justify. Demand is shrinking, development costs are rising, and regulations are becoming stricter. Automakers must design transmissions that meet emission standards, integrate with safety systems, and handle increasing engine power. But with fewer buyers choosing manuals, investing in new designs no longer makes financial sense. Even performance brands are stepping back. Manual gearboxes struggle to handle modern high-performance engines, and developing new ones for a shrinking market is simply not profitable. So companies are making a choice: focus on the future or preserve the past, and most are choosing the future. Modern cars are no longer just mechanical machines. They are digital ecosystems. Features like adaptive cruise control, autonomous driving systems, advanced driver assistance, all work better with automatic transmissions. Manual gearboxes complicate these systems. They introduce variables that software cannot easily control. And in a world moving toward automation, that's a problem. But here's where the story becomes tragic, because the manual transmission wasn't just a tool, it was an experience. It created a connection between driver and machine that no automatic can replicate. Every shift required skill, every mistake had consequences, every drive felt personal. Manual cars demanded attention, and in return, they gave something back: a sense of control, a sense of mastery, a sense of joy. For enthusiasts, this loss is deeply personal, because when manuals disappear, something intangible disappears with them. The manual transmission hasn't disappeared completely, at least not yet. There are still a handful of cars on the market that offer it, but they are becoming increasingly rare. Today, manuals are mostly found in sports cars, performance vehicles, and models specifically designed for driving enthusiasts. These are cars built for people who still value the connection between driver and machine, who who see driving not just as a task, but as an experience. However, even within this niche, the decline is undeniable. Many iconic models that once proudly offered manual gearboxes are beginning to abandon them. Entire lineups from major manufacturers are shifting toward automatic-only configurations. What was once a standard feature across nearly all vehicles has now been reduced to a specialty option, reserved for a shrinking audience. The manual transmission is no longer part of the mainstream. It has become a symbol of a different era. What remains is a niche market, sustained by a passionate but limited group of drivers. These enthusiasts continue to demand manual gearboxes, not because they are more efficient or more practical, but because they offer something unique. They provide control, engagement, and a sense of involvement that modern automatics struggle to replicate. Yet, as the industry evolves, even this niche is under pressure. The decline of the manual transmission reflects a much larger transformation within the automotive world. Cars are no longer just mechanical machines. They are becoming advanced digital systems. Modern vehicles are designed with a focus on automation, efficiency, and connectivity. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and autonomous driving capabilities are becoming standard. These technologies are built to reduce the role of the driver, making driving easier, safer, and more convenient. In this context, the manual transmission feels increasingly out of place. It requires skill, coordination, and constant attention. It demands that the driver remain actively engaged in the process of driving. In many ways, it represents the opposite of where the industry is heading. While modern vehicles aim to simplify the driving experience, the manual gearbox insists on complexity. While technology seeks to minimize human input, the manual transmission depends on it entirely. This contrast highlights the fundamental shift taking place. The automotive industry is moving toward a future defined by convenience and automation. Drivers today often prioritize comfort over control, ease over engagement. In heavy traffic, constantly shifting gears can feel like a burden rather than a pleasure. For many new drivers, especially younger generations, the manual transmission is no longer seen as a valuable skill, but as an unnecessary complication. Despite this, the manual gearbox still holds a special place in the hearts of many. It represents a time when driving was more than just getting from one place to another. It was about interaction, about feeling the engine respond to your inputs, about mastering the rhythm of clutch and throttle. It created a bond between driver and car that is difficult to replicate with modern technology. The truth is, the manual transmission is not disappearing because it failed. It is disappearing because the world around it has changed. Advances in technology have made automatic transmissions faster, more efficient, and more capable than ever before. Electric vehicles, which do not require traditional gearboxes at all, are becoming increasingly common. Consumer preferences have shifted toward convenience and simplicity, and manufacturers, responding to market demand and economic pressures, are focusing their resources on the future rather than the past. There will always be those who keep the manual transmission alive. Enthusiasts will continue to seek out cars that offer it. Collectors will preserve classic models. Some manufacturers may even continue to produce manual options for as long as there is demand. But as a mainstream feature, its time is coming to an end, and that is what makes its decline so poignant. The manual transmission was never just a piece of engineering. It was an experience, a way of driving that required skill, rewarded practice, and created a deeper connection between human and machine. It turned ordinary journeys into something more engaging, more personal, more memorable. As the automotive world moves forward, that experience is slowly fading away. The roads of the future will be filled with smarter, more efficient, and more autonomous vehicles. They will be safer, more comfortable, and more convenient, but they may also be less engaging, less tactile, less human. The manual transmission may not vanish entirely, but it is no longer part of the mainstream conversation. It is becoming a relic of a different time, a reminder of how driving used to feel. And as it fades, it leaves behind more than just a mechanical system. It leaves behind a legacy, a culture, and a way of experiencing the road that may soon exist only in memory. If you love real driving and the stories behind machines, hit subscribe, because the next one might be the last of its kind.